Find the wireless network password on an Android device. A wireless network password, or PIN, is often required to connect a printer or other type of wireless device to your Wi-Fi network. You can use the Share Wi-Fi feature to find the wireless network password on a mobile device with Android 10 or later. Note: depending on your device brand and version of Android, the images displayed in this video may not match your specific device. On your mobile device, under Settings, open the Wi-Fi menu and then tap Saved Networks. Select a network from the list. Tap Share and then enter your password or PIN. Find the Wi-Fi password underneath the QR code. If your device does not have a Wi-Fi password displayed under the QR code, it is recommended that you reach out to your Internet Service Provider, or ISP, to retrieve your network's Wi-Fi password. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.